Hi,
Hello.
can I take a look at your master maintenance plan?
Sure.
Alright, I can see that some maintenance service has been done. Can you show me the service job sheet for this one?
Hold on.
Are you still struggling to manage your factory maintenance using Excel sheets? Unable to retrieve the information you require at the time you need it? Or simply you can't keep track the activity of your maintenance team? CMMS is what you need. Go digital now, a free integrated computerized maintenance management system. Retrieve asset information on the go, automated maintenance records, NFC technology supported, a comprehensive performance evaluation reports, ISO 9001 readies. Most importantly, it's very user-friendly. Download now from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Factory maintenance made simple with Reams CMMS.